Okay, I'm gonna do a real quick video here. Scanner off. On 49 megahertz equipment. I know I've done videos on this in the past, but so let me turn the I've got two Radio Shack TRC 512s and Maxon.
Radio check 1, 2, 3, 4. It's got nice, crisp, and loud audio. It's about 4 or 5 kilohertz deviation. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello, hello.
So these are essentially the same radio. If you look at the back of them, yeah. The interesting thing about the Maxon, well, there's two interesting things. The first thing is it has a squelch control right on the front. The Radio Shack radios, the squelch can be adjusted internally, I believe, but there is no, external squelch control. You've just got volume, on, off, channel, push to talk, and a tone generate. Just a tone call button. They call it call. And then the Maxon has the same. See, higher tone, same deal. Volume, on, off, push to talk, right there on the side. Channel selector, just like the Radio Shack rigs do, and then the squelch knob. The squelch is actually kind of nice, but otherwise they're the same radio. Wait, there's one more thing that's different. Two more things, I should say. The Maxon has a battery charge connection right here, and it takes 4 AA batteries. These take good old-fashioned 9 volts. It's kind of interesting.
Audio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let me turn. I'm going to turn the radio Shack off.
Audio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Audio, check.
Let me turn this off and just do the Radio Shack radio.
Audio, check.
Oops.
Radio check 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Radio check.
So these are 5 channels. They're designated A, B, C, D, E. That knob, the channel selector, feels pretty substantial. I like that tone function. The channel plan is identical. So, sorry, I turned this radio off.
Radio check 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A little bit of there it is.
They have the same channel plan. There's a whole bunch of these rigs. There's the PC50, has the same channels. And they do designate it A, B, C, D, E, not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is kind of cool. And the channel plan, it's all carrier squelch. There's no tone. Well, we'll just go through it real quick. Got a scanner here, to receiver. So the 49 megahertz band is 49.82 to 49.9. Okay. So I'll go to channel A.
Radio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Channel B is 49. Sorry.
Channel. This is channel D. This is channel D 49845.
Channel C 49860. Channel D and channel E.
Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello.
So it's a nice crisp FM modulation. So the fact that there's standardized channels is nice. You can get these for pretty cheap. The Maxon radio seems to be a little bit more serious of a radio. It has more heft to it, more feel. But I've been throwing these around for a while, and they don't seem to really care. Make sure these are all switched off. There is a place for these. It is a piece of equipment that's nice to have because it's low probability of intercept, which basically means that it's part 15, which means 10,000 microvolts per meter at 3 meters field strength, which works out to something like, microwatts. It's not milliwatts. They're not 100 milliwatts. I don't know where that came. Actually, I do know where that came from, but they have not been 100 milliwatts for decades. It's microwatts, and it's very short range. In the open, you might get a quarter mile. You might get a half mile. In heavily built up areas, it's going to be significantly less. But that's the advantage, because if you want to talk to somebody who's, a few hundred feet away from you, you don't want to use your Baofeng. You don't want to use your, higher power radio, even in the low power setting. With a decent receive setup, decent voice intercept setup, you can be heard for, at a pretty serious distance. And end the video with that. More to come. Thank you.